की ह्या नव्या कॅसिनो येवपा खातीर कांयच एक्टिविटीज जावचे ना अँड ही इज गोइंग टू पास ऑन आवर ऑब्जेक्शन्स टू द मिनिस्टर अँड सी वॉट कॅन बी डन ही ताणी एश्युरन्स तुमच्या फुडें दिल्ली ताणी काल. आज आमी पळयता सकाळीं जी बोट मार्केटाच्या समोर दर्या न्हंयेन आशिल्ली दॅट हॅज बीन शिफ्टेड टू ऑपोजीट द पोस्ट ऑफीस आनी ताचें कारण एकूच जी नवी बोट येता ती येदी व्हडली आसा. The size of the new vessel is so huge, it is 6 times the size of the vessel that it is replacing. म्हणजे न्हंयेन मांडवी म्हादईन जागोच ना इतल्या सगळ्या कॅसिनोन. सो ताणी आतां एक भायर काडून उडयल्या विच इज सपोज टू बी रिप्लेस्ड आनी एक जी थंय आशिल्ली तिका काडून हांगा पोस्ट ऑफिसा कडेन हाडल्या टू मेक स्पेस फॉर दीस ह्युमंगस मॅसिव कॅसिनो वेसल जी 112 मीटर लांब आसा आनी 27 मीटर उंच आसा. ही पणजेन ज्यो बिल्डिंगो आसा ताच्या पेक्षा व्हडली ही एक बोट आतां म्हादय नदीन ताणें हाडून उडयल्या. सो आय डोंट अंडरस्टँड हांचे चिंतप कितें आनी चिंतप आसा काय ना हो कसलो प्रेशर तांकां कितें मेळटा कित्याक पणजेक तर कांय मेळना. देर इज नो वर्दी टॅक्सीज ऑर रेवेन्यू दॅट इज कमिंग टू द गव्हर्मेंट ऑर टू द CCP फ्रॉम द कॅसिनो ऑपरेशन्स. सो खंय तरी रेवेन्यू कावन्सिलरांक आनी मेयराक आनी मिनिस्टरांक आनी सरकाराक वेगळ्या तरेन मेळटा काय आमी नकळो. आय थिंक दॅट इज द ओन्ली एक्सप्लेनेशन टू द टायप ऑफ डिसिजन्स दीस गव्हर्मेंट इज टेकिंग वेन only disadvantage and destruction is happening to Pणजे because of that. आणि हांगाच सायडीन तुमी पळयला की रेश मार्गोस सायडीक सुद्दां थंय जे आमचे नुस्तेकार भाव आसा थंय जे निरोलवासी आसा तांकां सुद्दां हो प्रॉब्लम जाल्लो आसा. कॅसिनो वेस्टर्न घेतले त्याच खातीर आमी आज हांगा त्याच खातीर आयल्या न्ही दॅट आर CCP जी कॉर्पोरेशन आसा जी आमची प्रतिनिधी आसा इट इज द लोकल बॉडी इलेक्टेड लोकल बॉडी बाय पणजेकार्स that they should also take a similar resolution की आम्ही आमच्या सायडीक नाका म्हणून पणजे सायडीक बिकॉज सगळे ऑपरेशन्स जे आसा त्या वेसलाचे ऑल द लँड ऑपरेशन्स आर हॅपनिंग इन द सिटी ऑफ पणजे. इट्स सिंपल एज दॅट यू कॅनॉट से दॅट की आम्ही कॅसिनो वाडोवंक ना सच लायसन्स आसा वेन एक बोट काडून तुम्ही 6 बोटीच्या सायडीचो कॅसिनो हाडटा. इट इज नॉनसेन्स, इट इज अ लाय आनी आमी तुमचे फोटोन खबर.
Mare Singaw माझा
भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे version of Surendran is all the dances and prostitution, black money. That is what set up
Pranay agreement same as अरे तो आना मुझे
so that meeting will be convened. So that time then you come. Right now today the meeting is not convened because you might be
Excuse me, the mayor told us that we know that you have got 7 days notice enough. We don't know what you all have told the council. The mayor informed us that I am having my meeting with the councillors on the 12th at 11 o'clock. You all please come for that meeting So we have come. So what's the problem now? You're saying meeting is not held. The mayor doesn't know.
They should have
The mayor
informed us.
doesn't know.
They should have
And he
informed
should
us
have
that the
had
meeting is
decency
not.
after telling us it even.
There could have been a miscommunication.
Okay, we
Let us tell
put in a letter, our phone numbers are there, there's no decency even to call us and say, I'm sorry, I made a mistake, don't come. Elderly people have come, I'm also elderly. So all have come.
Are you speaking on behalf of the mayor?
He's the commissioner.
Are you speaking, this is concerning the mayor. Are you speaking on behalf of the mayor? I will just show you this message. Please.
Open the message. He said he's coming to meet.
See, I sent him a message. You know what he said? So we are waiting. Let us wait.
Please convey to him that we are waiting.
That's all.
And
So don't drive us away. Don't make any.
Not
Let
driving
him
you,
send me a message
because the
again.
meeting is not convened today.
yeah, so please tell the mayor. He said he's meeting her. So please come and inform us.
See, I have sent a message to the mayor. This is my concern. He said he's coming. I'm waiting. I cannot go away, when he said he's coming. It will be an insult to him. And they're all waiting with me. That's all. Why do you want us to go? We are not making noise. We are not destroying your property. We are requesting to put the fan on, please. It's so hard.
एडवर्टाइजमेंट भी लाइव